Confidence. When I got the roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got
What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sharde. Let's jump right into this ombre lip tutorial. So I'm starting with the Refy Lip Sculpt Lip Liner. I love this liner. It's so creamy. And I'm using the Makeup Forever Matte Lip Cream. The combo is bomb, y'all. So when I do my ombre lips, I like to go with my natural lip line. I do not overline my lips. Some people do that because it works for them. Overline is when you pretty much changing your lip shape. So I like my natural lip shape and I work with that. When it comes to lining your lips, girl, it's all about personal preference. You can start from the outer corner towards the middle or work from the middle to the outer corners. A lot of people ask me, like, which corner should I start with? Girl, just do it. But the main thing is when you line your lips, you want to make sure that you bring that lip liner inward. So you see what I'm doing right now? You want to bring it in. And when you apply your lip cream or lipstick, don't use a lot of product. So I like to get my inner lip as well. I talked about this in another lip tutorial that I'm going to link in this video. But when I apply my lip products, I don't use a lot, and I always use a thin layer of Vaseline so my lipstick or my lip cream does not bleed on my teeth. And what I like to do is apply some more liner and then go in with a lip brush to make it look seamless. So I don't like that sharp line with my ombre lips, so that's why I like to blend it in. A lip brush is optional. It's all about your personal preference, but I will say blot, blot, blot. Blend that product in. If you can help prevent having a sharp line, do it, because it looks so good when it just look like it's just a beautiful ombre color and everything just blend well together. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm pretty much just fading that liner in my lip cream. That's pretty much what I'm doing, and it don't take a long time, you know, it just takes about a minute or two, but that's pretty much what I'm doing.
when I got with confidence. When I got the roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want.
So I'm loving how the color is looking so far. Now I'm ready to set this lip off, baby, and I'm going to use the Best Skin Forever concealer by Sephora. I love this concealer and I use it for my ombre lip looks. So I'm using an angled brush to line my lips with my concealer. And when you pick a color for your concealer, you want to make sure that you use a color that's similar to your foundation. And I say that because you don't want the color to be too light. So that's why I like to use a foundation, well, a concealer that's similar to my foundation. And I don't use a lot. For me, y'all, less is more. That's just like, I'm noticing that as I get older, less is more. And I'm taking a precise concealer brush to blend it in.
Last weekend, you had me thinking, oh, must keep thinking in my head. Like bum, bum, bum. Roll back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, jam.
By the way, ladies, I will list all of the products in the description box. My next product is the Patrick Ta Clear Lip Gloss. I only put a hint of gloss to my lips. I don't like that product buildup, so that's why I don't use a lot of product. Less is more for me. But I'm loving how this look, y'all. You have to try it. The combo is so bomb. I love it. My final step is the Laura Mercier, applying the Laura Mercier translucent powder. That is going to set your concealer, and that is the final step in this lip tutorial. I'll see you on the next Sharde TV fam. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in a wrist, honey. Shining like your ice in a wrist, honey. Bum, 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 bum. When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow.